excellence in cattle breeding meets global partnership. At the prestigious Dalfa Cattle Show, where the finest livestock is celebrated. Qazi Cattle Farm stands as a beacon of quality, showcasing Pakistan's best livestock. From across the globe, BRC Ranch joins in celebrating this momentous occasion.
At BRC Ranch with my wife Rachel, and we know you've got your show coming up. We wanted to congratulate you and hope that you have an excellent show and wish you the best of luck.
So Qazi, we know how hard you work on this, and we talk nearly daily about your quest and your vision for Brahman and improving the cattle in Pakistan and in your region, and we hope that this show is really successful for you and showcases the hard work and the effort that you've been putting into improving the beef industry in Pakistan and to bringing the modern Brahman over to Pakistan. And so we love you, we thank you, we wish you the best of luck in your show.
To our esteemed friends at BRC Ranch, your presence has added immense value to our partnership. We look forward to welcoming you in person to the next season of the Dalfa Cattle Show.
Hello BRC, I am recording this message especially for you. As you know that we are at the Dalfa Cattle Show Season 4 and we had a phenomenal experience here. The footfall was really great and people all over here praised BRC and QAZI'S together. For next time I want you to be with us physically so we can explain people more deeply and give them a more brief introduction of our sires. The BRC sires, people in Pakistan are very much fond of BRCs, so they are very much interested to have the BRC genetics in their farms. So I would like to invite you in advance for the Dalfa Cattle Show Season 5.
Thank you BRC, Dalfa team, and most importantly, the people of Karachi for making this event a success. We look forward to seeing you again in the future.